Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this paper donut squishy inspired by PUNI MARU. So to start off with, you'll want to take a pink pen and just kind of draw out a rough donut shape, and you'll want to kind of make a little icing bit at the bottom and add some sprinkles. You'll then want to colour the rest of this in pink, minding out the sprinkles so that you can still see them on the bottom half. Once the icing is coloured in, you'll then want to take a browny, almost black coloured pen and just colour in the ears and also make the little eyes of the panda. You'll also want to make the little nose in between these two eyes. Once the eyes are in place, you'll then want to take a white pen and just pop the two little white dots on the top of the eyes, kind of like on the original squishy. I did this using my white Posca pen, and I also neatened up any little pink pen bit that I kind of had in the way. I then roughly cut this out with about 1.5 centimeters all the way around it and just taped it down to another white piece of paper. Also then went back over the white dots as mine weren't really popping enough, and I just carried on taping as I went down the squishy. What I then did was cut out all the way around this, and I just kind of cut out like on the inside of the pink lines so that they weren't showing anymore, and I just left a bit at the bottom where the icing was. I then went ahead and taped up all the sides, but like I said, I kept the bit at the bottom taped up so that it would stay together. So when I do my taping, I just kind of put the tape on it, make little snips with my scissors, and then fold all the little individual bits of tape around, as this really helps to get closer to kind of like the curve, and it's really helpful to do this technique when using a lot of circle shapes. Once taped all the way to the icing, I then cut off the little bit of excess paper that I kind of left before to keep it all in shape, and what I then did was folded it in half and just kind of cut out a little snippet from in between that circle bit, and I then just took my scissors and kind of made little snips while twisting all the way around to get out that circle shape in the middle. I then went ahead and took a piece of tape and put it only halfway over the circle, and then I just cut so that I was able to fold the tape in on itself so that it kind of made that hole. I did this in half so that I could kind of cut right so that it could kind of fold back on the circle, if that makes any sense, because if you kind of did all the tape over it, you wouldn't be able to do that. So once you have your circle in place, you'll then want to stuff up your squishy, and you can use whatever filling that you have. If you have bits of memory foam, use that, as that will be better. If you have stuffing, use that. If you have bags, use that. Whatever you want to stuff it with, you can stuff it with. Obviously here I'm using toy stuffing just for this video. You'll then want to tape up the hole once completely stuffed, and then your squishy is then complete. So I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who subscribed over the past couple of days. Like, I honestly cannot believe it. We finally hit 5k, which I'm so excited about, so thank you for that. I hope you enjoyed Paper Squishy Week so far. This is number 3 out of 7. So if you like them, please stick around and click that subscribe button for more of those, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye!